Alright guys, welcome back. Today I have a huge issue with sun visors. I don't ever use them, I'm too tall. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay down a strip of orange from here all the way across, and then we're going to lay down a windshield banner on top of that, so that whatever's cut out on the windshield banner will show up as orange. And it's going to look pretty dope. We're going to get the windshield cleaned, and then we're going to get the bottom part of the orange cut off so that we can then line the upper windshield as we need. And let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm sick at the time of editing this, but we have laid the orange down, and now we're going to lay down the para-lefty banner, which you'll see here. And here's what it looks like after it's been completely done. Big shout out to J&K Customs for the vinyl and the cutouts. So I can't thank you guys enough. I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one.